Feeling stuck in the same old routine? Does it feel like you're constantly watching from the sidelines as others achieve financial freedom and build the lives they've always dreamed of? Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind, the endless cycle of bills, and the feeling that you're not living up to your full potential? It's time to break free from those limitations and take control of your destiny. What if I told you that the power to change your life is within your reach? What if I told you that you could start your own profitable business, a venture that aligns with your passions and empowers you to create the income and lifestyle you desire? Right now, imagine waking up each day excited to work on something you truly care about, knowing that your efforts are directly contributing to your financial well-being and personal fulfillment. And what if I told you that you could launch this incredible journey with less than $100? It sounds unbelievable, right? But it's absolutely possible. Yes, you can achieve this even with no prior business experience. You don't need a fancy degree or a huge investment to get started. These are real, tangible businesses run by real women just like you, who have taken the leap and transformed their lives through entrepreneurship. They come from all walks of life, with diverse backgrounds and skill sets, but they all share one thing in common: the determination to create a better future for themselves. So buckle up and get ready to be inspired, because in the next 4 minutes, I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you 10 proven and actionable ways to flip that initial $100 investment into your very own thriving empire. Get ready to unlock your entrepreneurial potential and discover the path to financial freedom. All right, let's dive into some rapid-fire business ideas that you can launch like yesterday. We're talking about ventures that are low on startup costs but high on potential. First up, digital product seller. Think about it. In today's digital age, everyone's looking for ways to streamline their lives, learn new skills, or simply add a little organization to their day. That's where you come in. You can create planners to help people manage their time, design eye-catching social media templates for businesses, or even craft a series of daily affirmations to boost positivity. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once, and then you can sell them forever. No inventory, no shipping, no headaches. Just pure profit potential. Startup cost? As low as $30 for design software or a subscription to a platform where you can sell your products. Potential profit? Unlimited. Seriously, the sky's the limit. You can sell your products on platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or even your own website. Market them through social media, email marketing, or even collaborations with other creators. The key is to find a niche that you're passionate about and create products that solve a problem or fulfill a need. Next on our list, niche affiliate blogger. Are you passionate about a particular topic? Do you find yourself constantly recommending products to your friends and family? If so, then affiliate blogging might be the perfect business for you. The idea is simple. You review products that you love, and when your readers purchase those products through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. You get to share your expertise and passion with the world, and you get paid for it. To get started, you'll need a blog. Fortunately, there are plenty of free blogging platforms out there like WordPress.com or Blogger. Once you've set up your blog, start creating high-quality content that's informative, engaging, and helpful. Focus on a specific niche, such as sustainable living, vegan cooking, or minimalist travel. This will help you attract a targeted audience who are more likely to be interested in the products you're promoting. Promote your blog through social media, guest blogging, and search engine optimization, SEO. The more traffic you drive to your blog, the more opportunities you'll have to earn commissions. Business idea number 3, custom kids t-shirts. Let's face it, parents love to spoil their kids, and they're always on the lookout for unique and adorable clothing. That's where you come in. You can create and sell custom t-shirts for little girls and boys, featuring fun designs, personalized messages, or even their favorite characters. What makes this business particularly appealing is that parents are often willing to pay more for high-quality custom designs that they can't find anywhere else. To get started, you don't need to invest in expensive equipment or inventory. Instead, you can use print-on-demand platforms like Printful or Teespring. These platforms handle all the printing, fulfillment, and shipping, so you can focus on designing awesome t-shirts. Simply upload your designs to the platform, set your prices, and start promoting your products online. You can sell your t-shirts on your own website, on Etsy, or even through social media. Speaking of print-on-demand, let's move on to business idea number 4, print-on-demand seller. This is similar to the custom t-shirt business, but it's even more versatile. With print on demand, you can sell a wide variety of products, including mugs, phone cases, tote bags, posters, and more. The best part? No inventory needed. That's right, you don't have to worry about stocking up on products or managing a warehouse. Simply create your designs, upload them to a print-on-demand platform, and start selling. When a customer places an order, the platform will print the product and ship it directly to the customer. All you have to do is focus on creating amazing designs and marketing your products. This business is perfect for creative individuals who want to turn their passion into a profit. Business idea number 5, virtual assistant. In today's fast-paced world, many businesses and entrepreneurs are overwhelmed with tasks and need help managing their day-to-day operations. That's where virtual assistants come in. As a virtual assistant, you can provide a wide range of services, such as organizing schedules, managing emails, booking travel arrangements, and handling social media. The best part is that you can do all of this from the comfort of your own home. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a strong work ethic. To get started, identify your skills and the types of services you can offer. Then, create a profile on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or reach out to businesses directly. Business idea number 6, social media content repurposer. In the digital age, content is king, but creating fresh, engaging content can be time-consuming and expensive. That's why many businesses are turning to content repurposing. As a content repurposer, you'll take existing content such as blog posts, videos, or podcasts, and transform it into new formats, such as social media posts, infographics, or email newsletters. The goal is to get the most mileage out of every piece of content, turn one post into 10. Businesses pay well for this skill because it saves them time and money. To succeed in this business, you'll need to be creative, organized, and have a strong understanding of social media. Business idea number 7, wedding planner. If you're organized, detail-oriented, and love planning events, then wedding planning might be the perfect business for you. Weddings are big business, and couples are always looking for help planning their special day. As a wedding planner, you'll be responsible for everything from finding the perfect venue, to coordinating vendors, to managing the budget. It's a demanding job, but it can also be incredibly rewarding. High profit margins, creative work, and happy clients. What's not to love? Business idea number 8, Airbnb co-host. With the rise of Airbnb, many property owners are looking for help managing their listings. That's where you come in. As an Airbnb co-host, you'll be responsible for tasks such as communicating with guests, managing bookings, cleaning the property, and handling maintenance issues. Manage properties for busy owners. Earn extra income. It's a great way to earn extra income without having to invest in your own property. Business idea number 9, remote notary or document preparer. In today's digital world, many documents can be signed and notarized online. As a remote notary, you'll use video conferencing technology to verify the identity of signers and witness their signatures, help people sign and prepare documents online. It's a convenient and efficient way for people to get their documents notarized, and it's a great business opportunity for you. Business idea number 10, UGC creator. User-generated content, UGC, is all the rage right now. Brands are realizing that authentic content created by real people is more effective than traditional advertising. As a UGC creator, you'll create videos, photos, or other types of content for brands to use in their marketing campaigns. Brands pay for authentic content, no followers required. It's a great way to get paid for your creativity. Business idea number 11, sell products that are in demand all year round. Think essentials, not trends. These are the items people consistently need, regardless of the season or current fads. Consider things like basic clothing items, household goods, or personal care products. By focusing on evergreen products, you create a stable and reliable income stream. You won't be chasing fleeting trends, but instead, building a business on consistent demand. Research what products have stood the test of time and identify a niche where you can offer quality and value. And finally, business idea number 12, retail arbitrage. This is a classic business model that's been around for ages, but it's still relevant today. The idea is simple. You buy products at a low price from one retailer and sell them at a higher price to another retailer or directly to consumers. Buy low, sell high, online or in person. You can find deals at discount stores, clearance sales, or even online marketplaces. Then you can sell your products on platforms like Amazon, eBay, or your own website. Start with just $100. It's a great way to start a business with limited capital. So there you have it, 12 rapid-fire business ideas that you can launch today. So you've seen the possibilities, the potential that's just waiting to be unlocked. The truth is, you don't need to be rich to start building your own empire. Forget the outdated notion that wealth is a prerequisite for success. What you truly need is a smart approach, a strategic mindset, and the willingness to learn and adapt. It's about leveraging your skills, identifying opportunities, and making informed decisions. And the very first step on this exciting journey? Taking action. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Every successful entrepreneur started somewhere, and that somewhere was with a single, decisive step forward. Now comes the exciting part. Choosing your path. Which business idea resonated with you the most? Which opportunity sparked your interest and ignited your passion? Think about your skills, your interests, and the problems you want to solve. Which business will you try? We're eager to hear your thoughts and ideas. Comment below. Share your chosen venture and what excites you about it. And if you want more real, profitable ideas, strategies, and inspiration just like this to fuel your entrepreneurial journey, don't let this be the end of your learning. Hit that like button to show your support and help us reach more aspiring entrepreneurs. Subscribe to our channel for a constant stream of valuable insights, actionable strategies, and inspiring success stories. And most importantly, share this video with another woman who needs this right now. Someone who's dreaming of a better future and just needs that extra push to take the leap. Let's empower each other to achieve our full potential.